Good morning, 6th class. We are starting 8th question of exercise 7.4. Before this question, I will tell you one concept. You did this concept in 5th class also. If I have written here 2 by 6 of 24 and you have to solve it, I told you that instead of we will write here multiply, okay, and 24. Now you have to cut it. 6 and 24 both numbers are cutting on 6 table. 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24. Now 2 multiply 4, multiply it, 2 4 ja 8. So in denominator there is 1. 8 upon 1 means 8. So this is the concept of you did this in 5th class also. Now in this question, Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. ठीक है, there are 100 pages in a book and Ela read 25 out of 100. Lalita read 2 upon 5 of the same book. Lalita is reading 2 by 5. It means it is in fraction. Who read less? So you have to tell who read less. So we will write here total pages 100. You know how many pages Ela read. Ela read pages 25. Now we have to compare ki who is reading less. So we have to compare these pages, but this is in Ela is reading 25 pages and Lalita is reading 2 by 5 of fraction. It is in fraction. So we have to convert fraction into pages. Then we will compare it ki who is reading less. So Lalita read pages in fraction 2 by 5 of book. Now you have to find how many pages Lalita is reading. Here is 2 by 5 of means multiply book. It means how many pages in book? 100. Total pages are 100. It means she is reading 2 upon 5 out of 100. So solve it. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 the 10 and 1 0 is this. Now 2 multiply 20 it will be 40 upon 1. It means 40 pages. Lalita is reading 40 pages. Now who is reading less? Ela. We will compare 40. Lalita is reading 40 pages and Ela is reading 25 pages. So Ela read less pages so Ela reads less pages. Answer. 9th question is Rafiq exercise for 3 upon 6 of an hour while Rohit exercise for 3 upon 4 an hour. Who exercise for a longer time? Again we will change this off. You know in 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. So now come on the Rafiq. Rafiq exercised for 3 upon 6 of an hour. Now we know in 1 hour 60 minutes are there. Of means multiply. So instead of an hour we can write here 60 minutes. Now solve it. 6 1 ja 6, 6 10 ja 60. It will be 10 3s are 30 minutes. Now it will come in minutes because we converted hour into minutes. So Rafiq was doing exercise for 30 minutes. Now come on the Rohit. Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 3 upon 4 an hour. again 3 upon 4. Of means multiply, NR means 60 minutes. Now cut it. 4 1 ja 4, divided, it will be 15. Now multiply it because there is multiply sign. 15 3s are 45. Rafiq is taking 45 minutes. So who exercised for a longer time? Rohit, है ना? Rohit exercised for a longer time. You can write Rohit exercised for a longer time. Answer. 10th question. In a class A of 25 students, 20 passed in first class, and in another class B of 30 students, 24 passed in first class. You have to tell in which class was a greater fraction of students getting first class. So first of all, we will change past students in fraction in class A. Then we will change past students. So you have to tell in which class was a greater fraction of students getting first class. So we will change first of all past students into fraction of class A. Then past students into fraction of class B. Then we will compare both fraction by cross multiplication. First of all, in a class A. In class A, total students are 25 and past students are 20. So what will be the fraction? It will be 20 out of 25. है ना? So cut it into simplest form. Both numbers are divisible by 5. 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25. This is the fraction of class A. Now find out fraction of class B. In class B, total students 30 and past students 24. Find out fraction. It will be 24 out of 30. So 24 and 30 both numbers are divisible by 6. So fraction will be 4 upon 5. Now we will compare these two fractions. Comparison. Both fractions are equal. 4 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So both. So you will write here in both classes same fraction of students are passed. Answer. Now we are starting second question of exercise 7.5. In this questions you have to add fractions. Simple rule, if denominators are same, then you have to add only numerators. 18 18 denominators are same, so we will add only numerators. 1 plus 1 2, and in denominator same 18 will come. Now you have to give answer in simplest form. You have to check that 2 and 18 both are coming together on any table, on any number. Yes, both numbers are divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. Now that's it. 1 upon 9 is in the simplest form. Similarly in C part, 7 7 denominators are same, so we will add we will subtract only numerators. 7 minus 5 2, 2 upon 7. Now we will check 2 and 7 both are divisible by together on any number. No, 2 and 7 it is in 2 upon 7 it is in simplest form. So this is the answer. G part, 1 minus 2 upon 3. Now here we will do one extra step, that instead of 1 we can write here 3 upon 3 because when we will cut this, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, then 1 will come. Why I am taking here 3? Because 3 is the denominator in next fraction. You have to take same denominator of next fraction. So I am writing here instead of 1, 3 upon 3. When we will cut it, then 1 will come. Now instead of 1, I am writing here 3 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. Now here again denominators are same. So we will subtract numerators. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 upon 3. It is in simplest form. So this is the answer. Now next part, h. Again denominators are same. So we will add numerators. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 upon 4. It is in simplest form. So this is the addition. Now I part. Again in I part there is whole number like g part. So first of all we will convert this whole number into fraction. Now what we can write here? Same denominator you have to write here. Same denominator of next fraction, 5. Now what I will write here, that when we will cut it then 3 will come. So what we will do, we will multiply these two. 5 3s are 15. So when we will cut it, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, then 3 will come. So instead of 3, we can write 15 upon 5. Same denominator you have to take here. So instead of 3, you will write here 15 upon 5 minus 12 upon 5. Now subtract it. 15 minus 12, 3 upon 5. It is in simplest form. So this is the answer. This is homework. Exercise 7.5, question 2, D, D, E, F. These all 4 parts you have to do in maths fair notebook. And module works also you have to do in maths homework notebook.